Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Steam download region. So if you're trying to download a game, maybe it's connected to a server that's a little bit further away. So we can go to Steam right here and go to settings and just double check this. We want to go on down to where it says download. And at the top we can see download region. So mine is US Chicago, but we can change it to a different region. Maybe there is a server that is a little bit closer to us. So we got, let's look at the Philippines. We got Baguio, Cebu, Davao, and Manila. So we got those 4 different regions. What do we have in the United States? So China's got a bunch. Where is the US? So we can just change this to a location that's closer to us. So US has a bunch of different locations. Looks like we will find something that's close. But then we can look at the other options under here, like limit download speed. Probably don't want that on. Here's one. Allow downloads during gameplay. If this is enabled, Steam may initiate or continue downloading updates while you're playing a game. So this was turned off by default, so we can turn that on. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.